How to fix Instagram could not refresh feed. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. If for some reason, if your Instagram is showing could not refresh feed, then let's go ahead and fix it. Firstly, launch the settings application on your device. Tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage. Scroll down and find the Instagram option there and tap on that. You will see the offload app option. Go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again. Reinstalling the app will make sure that an updated version is installed, which will further fix bugs in the app. Do not worry because offloading the app will just delete the app but keep its documents and data safe. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will fix the app further. Go back and now scroll down and find the Instagram application in settings itself and tap on that. Make sure the permissions for all these options are toggled on for the app to function smoothly. Now open Instagram and see if the app is fixed or not. If not, go to your home screen and tap hold on the Instagram application. You will see the option for remove app. Tap on that and then tap on delete app and reinstall the app from the App Store, and by now your Instagram should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.